So we have a function here, g of x is equal to 7 plus 8, where g of x is equal to minus 13. So we need to find the value of x. It's very easy. We just need to equate these two values and we'll get the value of x. These are some of the easiest questions in the world. So now we just need to solve it for x. We can send the 8 here and it will change from positive to negative. And as the both are negative, it will become 21 of negative, and x is equals to negative of 21 divided by 7, which is equals to negative of 3. You can also check our answer is by putting the 3 in this equation, so it will give the same value.